I'm Brian Gross with Coldwell Banker, Capital Gateway Realty, and I'm here today with Steve Case from First Party Financial, and we'd like to talk to you a little about what's going on in the lending world today. A lot of things have changed over the last 5 and 6 years, and we'd like homeowners and prospective buyers to know what they're going to be faced with when looking for a loan for a home today. Steve, welcome.
Hi, thanks, Brian.
Would you mind telling us a little about how things have changed in the lending world? And often I hear from people, oh, it's so hard to get a loan today, credit's impossible. Is that true?
It's a little bit harder to get a loan, but it's mostly details that they look at. It's the general concept and qualifications have not changed too much, but in general, they're going to look at 3 things. They're going to look at your income, they're going to look at your credit, and they're going to look at your cash down. And nothing has changed too much except that they require more paperwork. So that is a big key, especially where assets come into mind.
Okay.
So those are the biggest changes.
So maybe looking a little more at balance sheets, what you owe on potentially other properties, cars, credit cards, those sorts of things.
Correct. And how well you make your payments obviously is what your credit score is a big factor nowadays. They look at where your money is. We have to source and season your actual down payment and your closing costs. So if you have a $2,000 cash deposit into your account, they're going to want to know where that money came from. Make sure it's not a loan from Guido out on the corner who's going to bust your legs if you don't make your payment.
Okay, okay.
Or that you're doing something illegal. Or
sure.
There's been lots and lots of fraud over the past 6 or 7 years, and so they've really clamped down on that.
Okay, well that's good to know.